Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Fit tire easily. First, ensure you have all the essential tools ready, including your spare tire, a jack, and a lug wrench. Safety is paramount, so park your car on a flat, stable surface, well away from any moving traffic. Before you even think about lifting the car, use your lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. This makes removal much simpler later on. Now, carefully position the jack under the designated lift point on your Honda Fit's frame, usually near the flat tire. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. Once it's lifted, you can fully remove all the lug nuts that you previously loosened. With the nuts off, gently pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Changing a tire can be a bit of a workout, so staying hydrated is key. That's where the Owala water bottle comes in handy. It keeps your drinks cold and accessible. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Next, carefully lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push it firmly onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs. Once they are snug, slowly lower your Honda Fit back to the ground using the jack. With the car fully down, use your lug wrench to tighten the nuts completely in a star pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.